Student, today we are going to learn 4th standard English grammars 12 number chapter nouns number. Last videos we see some rules from this chapter. Now listen, remaining rules we will see in this video. So see the next rule. Rule number 5. When a noun ends with y and it comes after a consonant y in changed to ies to form its plural. When a noun ends with y and it comes after a consonant y is changed to ies to form its plural. आता पहा, when a noun ends with y, जर नाउनच्या एंडिंगला काय असेल y असेल, it comes after a consonant, जर कॉन्सनंट असेल y इज चेंज्ड टू ies टू फॉर्म इट्स प्लुरल, तर वायचं त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, ies काय होतं, प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये होतो. वाय हा काय होतो, सिंग्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये जर लास्टला वाय असेल वर्डच्या, तर त्याचा काय होतं, प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये होताना ies होतो. सी हिअर द चार्ट, सिंग्युलर अँड प्लुरल. हिअर इज द बेबी. First word see, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby in singular form, okay. See in plural form, babies, B-A-I-E-S, babies, म्हणजे y जाऊन तिथे काय ॲड होतो, I-E-S ॲड होतो. See then second word city, C-I-T-Y, city in plural form, cities, C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. See in singular form, army, A-R-M-Y, army in plural form, armies, A-R-M-I-E-S, armies. See singular form, story, S-T-O-R-Y, story in plural form, stories, S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Okay student, do you understand no this chart? Now listen, see the next chart, singular and plural. Okay, see then first word copy, C-O-P-Y, copy in plural form, copies, C-O-P-I-E-S, copies. See then next word Disney, D-I-A-S-Y, D-A-I-S-Y, D-A-I-S-Y, DJ, DJs, D-A-I-S-I-E-S, DJs, D. See then plural form, DJs, D-A-I-S-I-E-S, DJs. See in singular form, fairy, F-A-I-R-Y, fairy, F-A-I-R-Y, fairy. In plural form, see fairies, F-A-I-R-I-E-S, fairies, F-A-I-R-I-E-S, fairies. See in singular form, company, C-O-M-P-A-N-Y, company, C-O-M-P-A-N-Y, company. In plural form, see here, companies, C-O-M-P-A-N-I-E-S, C-O-M-P-A-N-I-E-S, companies. Means see, when a noun ending with y and it's come after a consonant. जर नाउनच्या शेवटी काय असेल, वाय हा लेटर असेल आणि तो कधी येत असेल, कॉन्सनंटच्या नंतर येत असेल, तर वाय हा चेंज होऊन काय होतं, प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये तिथे I-E-S ॲड होतो. त्याला काय होतं ॲड, I-E-S ॲड होतं प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना. ओके, सी देन नेक्स्ट रूल, but when y has a vowel before it, y takes only s to change from singular to plural. But when y has a vowel before it, जर नाउनच्या नाउनमध्ये जर y हा काय असेल, वॉवेल असेल, तर त्याच्या अगोदर y टेक्स ओनली यस टू चेंज फ्रॉम सिंग्युलर टू प्लुरल, म्हणजे y हा काय होतं, चेंज होऊन तिथे ॲड काय होतं, त्याला यस हा काय होतं, ॲड होतं प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये. सी सिंग्युलर अँड प्लुरल, स्टोरे, S-T-O-R-E-Y, स्टोरे, सिंग्युलर फॉर्म. सी प्लुरल फॉर्म, स्टोरेज, Storeys, storage. See in singular form valley, Valley, valley. In plural form valleys, Valleys, valleys. In singular form way, way. In plural form ways, yes, ways. Okay, student, do you understand now this chart? Now listen, see the next chart. Singular and plural, here is the boy. First word is boy, boy, boy. In plural form boys, boys, boys. In singular form toy, toys. In plural form toys, toys, toys. In singular form day, day. In plural form days, days, days. Means see, but when y has a vowel before it, y takes only to change from singular number. जर y असेल कॉन्सनंट, तिथे काय असेल, y has a vowel, yचं जर साऊंडिंग जे आहे ते वॉवेल असेल, y takes only to change from singular to plural. त्यामुळेच y हा काय होईल, चेंज होईल. सिंग्युलरचा प्लुरल होताना तिथं फक्त काय लागेल त्याला, यस हा ॲड होईल. Okay student, do you understand now fifth number rule? Now listen, see then sixth number rule. See then sixth number rule. A few nouns are changed into plural by their inside vowels being changed. A few nouns are changed into plurals by their inside vowel being changed. आता काय काय जे नाउन्स आहेत ते प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना काय होतात, आतमध्येच काय होतात, चेंज. वर्डिंगमध्ये आतमध्येच काय होतात, चेंज होतात. सी सिंग्युलर अँड प्लुरल. हिअर इज द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मॅन, MAN, मॅन. इन प्लुरल फॉर्म्स मेन, MEN, मेन. म्हणजे इथे इनसाइडमध्येच काय झालेलं आहे, चेंज झालेलं आहे वर्डचं. सी सिंग्युलर फॉर्म वुमन, WOMAN, वुमन. In plural form women, WOMEN, women. See in singular form foot, FOOT, foot. In plural form feet, FEET, feet. See in singular form washerman, WASHERMAN, washerman. In plural forms washermen, WASHERMEN, washermen. Okay student, do you understand now this chart? See singular and plural, man, men, woman, women, foot, food, waterman, waterman, watermen. Okay student, do you understand now this chart? Now listen, see the next chart. Singular and plural, here is the tooth, TOOTH, tooth. Here is the teeth. In plural form, here is the teeth, TEETH, teeth. See then next word goods, GOOSE, goods. In singular form. See in plural form geese, GEESE, geese. See in singular form louse, LOUSE, louse. In plural forms lies, in plural form lies. See in singular form mouse, MOUSE, mouse. In plural form mice, MICE, mice. See singular and plural, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, louse, lice, mouse, 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 mice, MICE, mice. Student, do you understand this chart? Tooth, teeth, goose, geese, louse, lice, mouse, mice. Okay, now listen. See the next rule. Seventh number rule. A few nouns have the same singular and plural form. A few nouns have the same singular and plural form. See here singular and plural. Fish. First word, see here, fish. In plural form, here is the fish, fishes, FISHES, fishes. Fish. In plural form, fish, fishes. See second word, deer, D-double-E-R, deer, in plural form, deer. D-double-E-R, deer. See here is the chart, second chart, singular and plural. First word is sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, in plural forms, sheep. See second number word, reindeer, R-E-I-N-D-double-E-R, R-E-I-N-D-double-E-R, reindeer. See then plural form, reindeers, R-E-I-N-D-double-E-R, reindeer. Okay, student, do you understand? No, a few nouns have the same singular and plural form. See singular and plural, fish, fishes, fishes, deer, deer. See sheep, sheep, reindeer, reindeer. Okay, do you understand now this chart? Now listen, see the next rule. Some nouns are used only in the singular form. Some nouns are used only in the singular form. Some nouns are used only in the singular form. तर काय काय नाउन हे काय केले जातात, सिंग्युलर फॉर्मसाठी वापरले जातात. सी सेन्सरी, इन्फॉर्मेशन, फर्निचर, न्यूज, advice, etc. And some nouns are used only in the plural form. Some nouns are used only in the plural form. Plural forms here. For example, scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissor, trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. See next word, clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. See next word, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. See the next word, cattle, C-A-T-T-L-E, cattle. See the next word, alarms, A-L-M-S, alarms. See the next word, measles, M-E-A-S-L-E-S, M-E-A-S-L-E-S, measles. See the next word, spectacle, S-P-E-C-T-A-C-L-E-S, spectacles. Okay, means some nouns are divided only in the plural form. Scissor, trouser, clothes, people, cattle, alarms, missiles, spectacles, etc. Okay, now listen, see. Then third number rule. En is adding to change the following into plural. Es is added to change the following into plurals. See child, children. C-H-I-L-D, child. Here is the children in plural form. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. See here is the singular form, which ox, O-X, ox. In plural form, oxen, O-X-E-N, oxen. See the next. Look at the following table to see how verbs and other words change with the change of number. Change with the change of number. See, look at the following table to see how verbs and other words change with the change of numbers. Nouns in singular, nouns in singular, nouns in plural. Okay, see then sentence. A dog barks, a dog barks, dogs bark, dogs bark. Okay, see singular nouns. A cow has a long tail, a cow has a long tail. See in plural form, cows have long tails, cows have long tails. See in singular form, the boy is grazing his sheep. The boy is grazing his sheep. The boys are in plural form. See, the boys are grazing their sheep. The boys are grazing their sheep. See the fourth number sentence. He is a tall boy. He is a tall boy. See in plural form, they are tall boys. They are tall boys. See in the singular form, the man has a pen. The man has a pen. In plural form, the man have pens. The man have pens. See, in singular form, the girl was absent yesterday. The girl was absent yesterday. In plural form, those girls went absent yesterday. Those girls were absent yesterday. See the next sentence. The hunter killed a deer. The hunter killed a deer. Okay, see in plural forms, the hunters killed, the hunter killed several deer. The hunters killed several deer. The hunters killed several deer. Now listen, see the next sentence. That boy plays football. See then singular numbers. That boy plays football. See in plural form, those boys play football. Those boys play football. Okay student, do you understand now these rules? 5 number rules, 6 number rules, 7, 8, 9 and 10 number rules. And we see here the nouns in singular and nouns in the plural. I think you understand it. Thank you.